Hello all. Now we will see this unit 5 questions on unit 5 and how to solve this. So first, there are only two types here: homogeneous differential equations. Okay, homogeneous differential equation, and then non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, non-homogeneous differential equation. That's it. There are only two types in this unit. And what is this homogeneous differential equation? Okay, equation maybe first order. They have just given it for a first order. That means only first derivative. Okay, only one time differentiation. So dy by dt is equal to 6y. Okay, now here non-homogeneous dy by dt is equal to 6y plus some constant, say 7, some number. This is the only difference. If you encounter the questions like this without any constant plus something, without anything, then that is homogeneous differential equation. If we encounter a constant along with this differential equation, dy by dt equal to 6y plus 7, then it is called non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, right side is 6y plus 7 if it is constant, non-homogeneous. Only if it is 6y, then it is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now the solution for it. To find the solution, there are two types. Solution, not two types. You can say two types. One is general solution for both homogeneous and non-homogeneous. General solution and definite solution or specific solution. The book it is given definite, so we'll go with definite. Okay. So for both homogeneous and non-homogeneous, you have to find general solution and definite solution. Okay, now when does this definite solution occurs is sometimes they have given you the value. We will see that in the problem. I'll explain it to you. Okay, sometimes they have given it in the value of y. When t equal to this, y value is that. When t equal to this, y value is this is what it is. So you have to then, if it is given in the question, then they are asking a definite solution. Okay, now general solution for any question, you have to find the general solution. This is the next step. Definite solution is after general solution. Only after finding general solution, you have to go to the definite solution. Okay, now in the homogeneous differential equations, it is easy. General solution is easy. Okay, and definite solution, if it is given in the question, it is fine. Now non-homogeneous differential equation, the general solution format is CF plus PI, complementary function plus particular integral, CF plus PI. Now how to find this CF and how to find this PI? Okay, now CF, what you have to do is you have to convert this non-homogeneous differential equation to homogeneous differential equation. That is, you have to convert this by erasing the 7, so it becomes homogeneous, right? So dy by dt equal to 6y. Now it becomes differential equation. Now find the solution for that. Find the general solution for that. That is my CF. Okay. Sorry, that is my CF. Now how to find PI? Now what you have to do is for PI, 6y plus 7. Instead of 6y, you have to replace this by k equal to 0. You have to put it like this. And then find the value of k. No, whatever the value is, k equal to maybe minus 7 by 6. Okay, in this case minus 7 by 6. That is my PI. That the value of k is my PI. Now substitute this, you will get the answer. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so you have to find homogeneous differential equations. If they ask you like this, then you have to find the general solution. If the value is not given, if the value is given, definite solution. If they have given a non-homogeneous differential equation, then you have to find CF plus PI, the particular integral. Now we'll see the first problem. Look at it. This is looking at the problem. You can say that it is homogeneous because it has no constant. So straight away you can go the value. Now, if the value, look at this. If the value is y is 34 when t equal to 0, immediately when you look at this, then they are asking about definite solution. Okay, so you should not stop at general solution. You have to go one more step for definite solution, and then use the solution to predict the value of y when t equal to 7. Now what they are asking is what is the value of y when t equal to 7. Okay, when t equal to 0 they are given the value is 34. Now what is the value of y when t equal to 7? This is the question they asked. They are given you the question. Now it's very easy. dy by dt is equal to 1.5y. Now the first step is the variable separable, that is the variable one side, the same variable to one side and the remaining other side. So dy by, I can write it either 1.5y or y, because constant can be with anything, any place. Okay, constant can be with any place as long as it is in multiplication. Okay, and dy by 1.5y is also right. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, dy by dy is equal to 1.5 dt. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate it. Constant I can take it outside 1.5. Okay, what is the dy by y? It is log y, which is equal to 1.5 dt. Integration you will get t plus, don't forget the c. Whenever you integrate you have to find the constant, you have to put the constant. Okay, so log y is equal to 1.5 t plus c. I need y, I don't need log y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise to e power log y. So e power 1.5 t plus c. Now e power log y is y is equal to e power 1.5 t into e power c. So this is my general solution. This is my general solution. If they haven't given you this, they have asked only this solve, then you have to stop with this. Now since they have asked this, if the value of y is 34 when t equal to 0, so in the general solution wherever t is there you have to substitute the value equal to 0, and wherever y is there you have to substitute the value 34. So 34 is equal to e power 1.5 into t 0, okay, into e power c. I need the value of e power c. Okay, so e power 0 is 1, so 34 is equal to e power c. Just substitute, I need the value of e power c, so 34. So y is equal to 34 into e power 1.5 t. That's it. This is my definite solution. This is my definite solution. That is, instead of constant in the solution, okay, if there is a number, okay, so instead of c, this very constant c representation of okay, they have given it is general solution. Now specific number, specific constant, it is given, it is a definite solution. Okay, the question is not yet over. Predict the value of y when t equal to 7. Predict the value of y when t equal to 7. So what they are asking is, what is the value of y when t equal to 7? Again you have to substitute the value of 7 in the place of t. 1.5 into 7. So y is equal to 34 into e power 7 into 1.5. Okay. Please use the calculator. I have already taught you in this class to find this. Okay. In case if you have doubts, you can ask me. Okay. So e power, first multiply this 7 into 1.5. So 35, 7, 1 is 7, 10. So it is 10.5. So 10.5, 34 into e power 10.5. Now in the calculator use exp or e and then press 10.5, you get the answer, or 10.5 then e, depending upon your calculator model, you get the answer. Okay, then multiply with 34, you will get the answer. Now the second problem, solve the differential equation dy by dt equal to 6y plus 27. Yeah, look at that. See, this is a constant is present here, so it is non-homogeneous. And then further they are given y, value of y is 18 when t equal to 0. So they are asking about definite solution. Okay, should not stop at general solution. Since it is non-homogeneous, you have to find the solutions. Y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Okay, now I'll first find complementary function. Finding CF. So dy by dt equal to 6y plus 27. So I have to eradicate this 27. I have to write only this, changing this into homogeneous. Now you know how to find this homogeneous. Okay, for homogeneous you know how to find it. The previous problem we just did it, same method. What do you have to do it? Up to general solution only you have to find it. Okay, please don't find a definite solution here itself. You have to find only the general solution. Okay, now it is nothing but I think e power 60 into, okay, I will solve it. I will solve it for you. Okay, yeah, first step is variable separable. So dy by y is equal to 6 dt. Again you can bring the 6 down also. Okay, now log y is equal to 60 plus c. Okay, integrating. I am just integrating it. Okay, now e power log y is equal to e power 60 plus c. Y is equal to, e and log gets cancelled. Okay, now y is equal to e power 60 into e power c. Now please don't find the value of e power c here itself. That's a mistake you will make it when non-homogeneous differential equation. Please don't use this t equal to 0 and y equal to 18 here. Okay, please don't do this. That is for homogeneous. Non-homogeneous you have to find only in the last. At the last you have to find it. Okay, so this is my, not y, actually this is my CF. Okay, this is my CF. So you just, this is my CF. CF is equal to e power 60 into e power c. Understood? Now finding pi. Finding pi. Pi is very simple. Finding pi is very simple. What is the right side? 6y plus 27. So 6y plus 27 you should change to 6k plus 27 is equal to 0. 6k is equal to minus 27. K is equal to minus 27 by 6. I can cancel it with 6. Sorry, 3 2s are 3 9s are minus 4.5. So k is equal to minus 4.5. Minus 4.5. That is my pi. Pi is equal to minus 4.5. So what is my solution? Y, general solution y is equal to CF plus pi. What is my CF? E power 60 into e power c. What is my pi? Plus minus 4.5. Am I right? That's it. This is my CF. This is my pi. That's it. This is my general solution. But we don't need general solution. We need much more than that. What is it? Definite solution. Okay, that is given. It is given if the value of y is 18 and t equal to 0. Then you have to go one more. So y is equal to, when t equal to 0, what is the value of y? 18. Okay, so 18 is equal to e power 6 into 0 into e power c minus 4.5, because plus into minus is minus. Okay, now I want to bring this minus 4.5 to this side, so it becomes 18 plus 4.5, which is e power 6 into 0 is 0, so into c. Now e power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1 except 0. Okay, so e power c is equal to 22.5. That's it. I need e power c value. I got it. So y is equal to 22.5 e power 60 minus 4.5. This is my solution, definite solution. See here, they comparatively to the last question, they haven't asked you what is the value of y when t equal to 6, t equal to 9. Okay, so you have to stop with definite solution. That's it. Okay, now problem 3 is very easy, but many of you haven't read, I think so. Okay, so a perfectly competitive market has the demand and supply function. This is demand function and this is supply function, and the market is out of equilibrium. The rate of the adjustment of the price is a function of excess demand. So this is the function. We don't know what the function is, whether it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. We will find it out. Okay, in the initial time period, price P0 is 10. Okay, initial time period price P0 is 10, which is not its equilibrium value. Derive a function for P in terms of T and comment on the stability of this market. Okay, now This is very simple. Okay, dp by dt 0.5, qd minus qs. You have to substitute the value of qd here, qs here. That's it. Okay, so dp by dt, it is equal to 0.5 into first step. This is your first step. I'm not going to solve fully. Okay, 170 minus 8p minus, what is qs? QS is minus 10 plus 4p, minus 10 plus 4p, subject to, now look at in the initial time period, price P naught is 10. What is the meaning of that? Initial time period is when t equal to 0, that is initial value, t equal to 0, the price is 10, that is what given in the question, t equal to 0, P is 10. So they are asking about definite solution. Okay, so dp by dt, that's it. This is what you need, and you got it from the statement. The statement was very big to read, but it is very easy. Okay, you know how to solve it. Dp by dt is equal to 0.5. Now open the bracket, minus into minus plus 10, minus into plus minus 4p. Okay, equal to 0.5 into 170 plus 10 is 180. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. Signs are same, so you have to add. If the signs are same, you have to add. So this is 0.5. So when it goes inside, it reduces everything by half. So 90 minus 6p. Am I right? So dp by dt is equal to 90 minus 6p. This is your sorry. dp by dt is equal to 90 minus 6p. This is your equation. See, in the earlier cases, the equation will be given to you. Here, only the statement is given to you. You have to deduce the equation. Now, tell me whether it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Maybe you write it like this, you will understand it. Minus 6p plus 90. Instead of this, see, I have changed the positions of it. That's it. Definitely, this is non-homogeneous, since because 90 is present. Then you proceeded. How do you know? Find CF PI. This is for your homework. Please do it. Please do complete it. That's it. And then find the definite solution. Please don't forget to find the definite solution. Okay. Now similarly, problem 4. Again, it's same way. In a macroeconomic model, C equal to 200 plus 0.75, Y equal to C plus I, and I is equal to 80. du by dt is equal to 0.8. Again, you have to deduce the differential equation from this given data. If y naught is equal to 1200, that is at t equal to 0, value of y is 1200. Okay. Now, what is given? dy by dt is equal to 0.8 into e minus y. What is e? C plus I. Okay, I will write it here itself. C is e equal to C plus I, right? So 200 plus 0.75y plus 80. Am I right? This is C plus I. This is C. This is I. So it is nothing but 280. Okay, I'll write down 280 here. So 280 plus 0.75y. Okay, minus. I have written only for E. Okay, I have written only for E. This is E. What is y? E minus y. I don't know what is y, so just write y as it is. Okay. We have yet to find the y value of y, so just write y as it is. Now du by dt is equal to 0.8 into 280, 0.75y minus this is 0.25y. Now again multiply this by 0.8. Multiplied everything by 0.8, 280 into 0.8, or you can divide by 8 by 10. You can divide by 8 by 10. Okay, whichever feels easy, you can do it. Okay, just divide by 8 by 10 into, because 8 by 10 is 0.8. Whichever you're comfortable with. Okay, 8 into 280. I think 0 gets cancelled, so 28 into 8, 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16, 22, 224. Okay, 224 you will get like this. Okay, minus 0.25 into 8. What is 0.25 into 8? 0.25 into 4 is 1. So 0.25 into 8 is 2. So 2y by 10. I have just multiplied only with 8. Okay. Now I am going to divide by 10. So 224, 0, 0 gets cancelled. Minus 2y by 10 is y by 5. Now 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. Am I right? 0.2. I can write it as 0.2y. What is the equation? Again, if you feel it confusion, just write it like this. 224. I've just changed the position of it here to here. That's it. So not homogeneous. Very easy. Once you get to know the equation, frame the equations, very easy. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, you can always contact me. Thank you.